Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you. I really appreciate. Love you all. So today's tutorial is all about DIY turban beret hats. This is beautiful. So let's get started. Let's DIY this. Let's make this. I made use of scuba material. So let's get DIY. So the first thing you're going to do is your measurement. That is very important. So can I'm using mix of my scuba material and measurement there is 29. So you're going to times 29 times 2, and that is going to give us 48. That's that was going to be. You divide that 40 into 2, you fold it. Can you see what I'm folding? You fold it into 2. That's the first thing. You fold it into 2. Then the other side, you're gonna see the measurement I use the other side. Can you see guys what I use the other side? So what you're going to do a running station. Do a running station round. You're gonna do a running station round. You can add to the mat, you can add to your length, just depend, you can add to the length. But mine I'm using 29 times 2, that's 48. So you're going to do a running station. Can you see the way I'm doing it? You're going to do a running station. You keep doing the running station and you make sure you're very careful when pulling it out. You have to be very careful. You keep doing it. Can you see the way I'm doing it? So you keep going. So when selecting your material, make sure you select your scuba material. You select a scuba material. You can use all this job material. Make sure that the material you are using is hard. The material is very hard, and you're going to use the stretching part. That is the part you're going to do. You use the stretching part. You see that's what I'm doing. So you keep doing it. So the next thing you're going to pull it out. You use the thread to pull it out. You pull it out. You pull the 3 sides. You know we have 3 sides: the first side, the second side, and the third side. So then you tie it. You tie it very well. And make sure when you're tying it, take it easy, because when you're tying sometimes it can easily loose. So you have to tie it very well, and you have to sew it with your needle and thread. You're gonna sew that part. You sew it perfectly. You sew it. Then after you sew it, you can see the way I'm doing. You sew it. Make sure when sewing it, you sew it very tight. So you sew it tight, make it very tight, make it very tight, make it very neat. Okay, make it very neat. Then you pull it out. You pull it out. The end you're going to put it in. When you turn it around, you're going to pull it in. Yes, you're going to hide the sewing. Then you make sure you put it in. Then you tie. Use a needle and thread to sew it. Use your needle and thread to sew it properly. Sew it. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share my video. And if you want to store it, you can store it.
But I still believe in